Hello guys, today I got sent this microscope for kids. Let's unbox it and let's see what comes inside. Inside the box we get our kids microscope right here. It does have an LCD screen, has these buttons. This is the power button right here. This will help us select from magnification times. Okay, it magnifies up to 4 times, and this right here will go into the pictures that we have taken. On the side we have the shutter button right here for the camera. We have a USB-C type port right here, and on this side we have the slot for our micro SD card. Now on the back, as you can see, there's enough lights, and then there's the camera right here. The digital microscope will also be included with a USB-C cable to a regular USB-A. You will also be included a manual, so that way you can get the most out of your kid's microscope. This digital microscope will show all images in HD. That means that it's 1980 by 1080. It actually magnifies up to 500 times, and also you can magnify this 4 times more. So you will get all the images in high definition. Look at all the detail of this desk mat. This is incredible. Your younger kids will be able to play with this magnifying glass starting from toddler ages all the way up to grown-up kids. On this other side we will show this magnifying glass. This is a regular kind. So that way if you want to read like letters or something like that, you can also use this other side for that purpose. Definitely this digital microscope will show images on a very nice quality. You will see every single detail, and your kids will be able to discover a lot of interesting things. You can easily connect the microscope to the computer using the provided USB cable. You'll be provided with 3 modes: device observation mode, memory card reading mode, and computer observation mode. The device viewing mode, that's charging only. You're going to also be able to access all your files from the micro SD on the computer, and this can be done in either Mac or Windows. Or if you want to do the computer viewing mode, then you definitely need a Windows computer, and you need to download and install the proper software. I hope that the information about this kid's microscope was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.